Nah, you can't get in this session. Where was you when I was in the Intrepid? Been the corner like xoxo.
Camera. Yes, I finally was able to upgrade my camera. Oh, excuse me. I have a Canon EOS M50. And it has the little thing, I don't know what it is, where you can turn and you can look at yourself. So I can't stop looking at myself. No more holding the mirror for me. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell. Let's get it, people. Okay, so I have been seeing this all over the internet. It's the original Q-Redew. And what it pretty much is a hair steamer. And it's supposed to be bomb for hair. So I got my scissors and I'm just going to use it to cut open the box. And it keeps your hair so moisturized, you end up using less products and things like that. And you guys know I'm on my growth challenge right now, and my hair is pretty much thickening up. It's pretty much thickening up. I have a length check for you. Thank you to all the new subscribers and all the people who've come and looked at my channel. But for some reason, these last couple of videos I've been doing, they were so interesting to y'all. So, I don't know. I'm just going to keep on. Keeping on. Maybe y'all don't have that bell rung. I don't know. But I appreciate y'all showing y'all support and watching my videos. And to all the people that I know that is supporting my channel, and to all the people that I don't know that just find me interesting enough to talk about things. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is the shipping box that I'm cutting open. Oh no, it's the main box. So this is what it looks like pretty much. Let me silence my phone, cause we don't want none of that jumping off. While I'm trying to do a video. Okay, so you get a little card in the box and it says, "Dear curly friend, welcome to the Q-Redew community. Enjoy and embrace your wonderful natural texture. We at Q-Redew Products greatly appreciate your business and are thrilled to provide you with this unique and original styling solution. Please share your Q-Redew experiences and thoughts with me. You can contact me at support at qredew.com with any questions or concerns. Share your review on our review page at qredew.com. And then it says, kind regards, Heidi Schmid. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Inventor and founder at Q-Redew Products, LLC. The original Q-Redew Hair Vapor Wand. So that's what you got going right here. Then you have an instruction manual. Basically telling you how to use it. And things like that. We're just gonna go over it because I've never ever used this product. And you know they got the warning on one side, and then it says operating instructions. And this page right here These are the warnings, and this is basically what you don't want to do with your wine that could possibly mess it up, basically. So then it says, prior to using this appliance, you should first become familiar with its component features. And guys, like, I've been seeing girls do all type of stuff with this. So this right here is, I'm trying to figure out what it is. Oh, okay. This is how you would put water in the reservoir or reservoir or whatever. The thing that you fill it up, because guys, you're going to fill this up with water. And you're basically going to use this right here to fill it up. Look, it has the little label on it. That is so cute. Guys, I'm still getting used to this camera, okay? So don't pay me no attention. So then you got the Q-Redew itself. It's not too heavy. It's not too heavy. Probably as heavy as your normal hair blow dryer. And then this is the reservoir. And you just pop it out like that. And you're going to fill water in this tab right here. And then this is the part that you put on your hair. I know that much because I've been watching the videos, okay? And why I have it disassembled, it tells you to plug unit into outlet. You don't want to never plug this into anything near water, which we know. Please don't do that. And it says this appliance has a polarized plug with one plug blade larger than the other. The plug will only fit into a polarized outlet. This is for safety purposes. If the plug does not fully fit into the outlet, flip the plug around and try again. If it still doesn't fit, you're going to have to check with your electrician and stuff like that. And then you want to wait for it to warm up to where the light blinks. When the indicator light stops blinking, it's ready for use. A clicking noise might be audible within the Q-Redew housing while the Q-Redew is plugged in. This is normal. It has an automatic shut off feature, which is good. So if you leave it plugged, it'll cut off on its own. Which you don't want to leave anything plugged up unattended anyway. Then it says test the Q-Redew appliance. Before applying warm mist, applying warm mist, always test the appliance by pointing it away from your body. Okay, let's get started. And what it means by a polarized plug, let me get this so I can show you guys. A polarized plug is when one palm, this palm, is bigger than this side. So I'm gonna have to get an extension cord just so we can test this. Okay, so I plugged in the extension cord, and you see how this side has one side bigger than the other? That's what we're gonna go with. Get my little handy dandy reservoir filler. I don't know why I can't just say it. And this is just tap water, guys, that I put in a water bottle because I didn't know that they were going to provide a thing to fill it up. So, let me take a little sip from my drink. I've been drinking water all day anyway because I went and got a massage today. Don't drink these. These are bad for your health. Do as I say and not as I do. Okay, so it has a little flexi tip on it. And it has I'm just trying to see how much I'm supposed to put in here. Because, guys, sorry, my tongue has been swollen because that's what happens when my anxiety and my stress levels are up. Oh, and one thing about this, if you add anything in here, it says that it might damage the way that this works. But these reservoirs, you can purchase replacement ones. Oh, okay, I see the little lines. And I'm gonna need another, I'm gonna need to fill this up one more time. Just because it has a minimum, the lines. It has a minimal way of lining it, filling it up. And I don't want to damage it. They prefer you use distilled water. For these lines on here are very light. I almost didn't see them. And I just need a little bit more water. I'm showing you guys all of it. All of everything. Okay? But as far as the maintenance of my hair, guys, y'all see what's happening. Curls is popping. And I ain't even combed my hair today. I literally only comb my hair once a week, guys. Ooh. Just because I'm tender-headed like that. And I got a little spillage. Let me wipe it off. I'm going to use my shirt. Oh. My silly self just put it in front of the viewfinder. That's what it is. So it's filled up. And how you put it in is, it's a little clip at the end, and it's a little notch in there, and you just want to slip it into that notch and press it. There we go. And now plug it in. And look, it has a little light that blinks. So while we're waiting for that to warm up, okay, I'm getting kind of nervous, guys, because when I say I'm tender-headed, I'm tender-headed like. Okay, so after you do the test, I'm gonna go on. It says pull the trigger to emit warm vapors. This is the trigger. Okay, guys, pull that. Lock and load. Lock and load. Now let me stop. To emit hair to naturally rejuvenate, enhance, reshape, detangle, stretch, soften, and hydrate. Depressing the trigger will result in the release of vapors from appliance. Releasing the trigger will cease the emission of vapor. You might experience a slight delay in the vapor sensation as accumulated vapors clear itself from the appliance. And basically, it's up to you the amount of warm vapors you want to apply to your hair and to the location in your hair where you want to apply it. The prongs will assist in lifting and separating hair to help disperse vapors throughout target area. Clips or hair rollers may be used to shape and assist in targeted areas. We already know about the clicking noise. And just be careful on putting these prongs directly to your skin or scalp. This will cause discomfort, skin irritation, or bumps. Okay? After you're done, make sure you unplug. But note, there is an automatic shut off. Man, I've been seeing girls do all type of stuff like shaking back hairstyles from the day before. Talking about some, they've been doing blowed out looks with it. You know. And this is a week-old twist out that turned wash and go. Because my hair draws up. Let me get closer. But you see this? That's up in there where I dyed it. Guys, I was thinking about dyeing it all over for real. Because I got business cards made. Got business cards made, and the ends of my hair, because when I'm out and about, I be telling people to subscribe to my channel and follow me, And the picture that I used for my business cards, you see that? And that was a color that faded. It was red at one point, but it faded into that. And I cut it all out of my hair. And I kind of want it back. But these are my business cards. I hear the clicking, guys. I hear the clicking. So what I'm going to do, I'm not putting no more product in my hair because Bae supposed to do all of this. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. And I'm about to lose control and I think I like it. Hey. I had to adjust my camera up. Look at that fullness coming back. Girl can barely put her hair in a bun anymore. But you hear that sound? Her is ready. Okay, guys. What am I gonna do? What am I going to do? You see what it's doing? So you can stretch it, or you can just, you know. But I done already stretched it all out. And I got so much product in my hair. I'm just using this to go over it. Look at that. So it's kind of like, I don't know. I'm trying not to get it directly on my scalp. And I see what they're talking about because I just got it on my scalp. It gets hot. Let's try the whole head. Okay. And I'm not like getting it directly on my scalp, guys, and I have a lot of shrinkage, so we just gonna see if we could make this look wash and go. Cause I don't even know what I'm doing, okay? And that's from me wearing that headband back like that. One thing I notice is my hair is very soft. Like, it doesn't feel like it's stripping my hair at all. And as you can see, this side is stretching itself out. Look. This side, that side, this side. We gonna stretch it on out, baby. See if we can get this wash and go friendly. Q-Redew. And this was $78, but I got it for like plus free shipping. I think I got it for $73. They had a $5. You see this? Do you see what it's doing? It's bringing this style back, honey. Hold on. Yeah, it's bringing this wash and go back. Hold on. And they had a coupon on Facebook called Save 5. And that's what I used. And got it for $73. And that doesn't count like if you get extra reservoirs or a cover for this, because you can buy covers for this. Look, it's giving it volume though too. Like, if you don't wash your hair, or like your washing goes, cause like me, I'm the type of person, like, after I wear my wash and go once, it just, I can never get it back like that. I tried the pineapple, I tried, you know, satin pillowcases, wearing my bonnet, shaking it. It just never comes back loose. Or like it was on that first day. And for real, this thing probably giving me more shrinkage because hair is curly. Okay. I'm doing okay without the mirror, but do y'all see how it's stretching it out though? And I think if I was better equipped with using this, oh, it's dirty. This because my hair is dirty. We're going to definitely be wiping that off. Plus, I got grease and oils and all that in my hair. I hope I don't clog it up. Let's see what it do to this puff. My hair feels really good, and my curls, they're not even getting frizzy. And I'm like sitting up here. I mean, they're frizzy, but they're not bad. And like I showed you, you could stretch it out, or you could keep your shrinkage. You could